Tinnitus is treatable, yes, but if you know the exact cause. For example, if this tinnitus is caused by wax, just by removal of the wax, tinnitus can be curable. Sometimes it could be just because of the glue which is getting accumulated in the middle ear, a fluid that is behind the eardrum or within the middle ear. With the help of medications, once the glue is resolved, most of the tinnitus is cured. Sometimes the smallest bone in our body, the stapes, gets fixed without any movement. That leads to conductive hearing loss. That also causes tinnitus. And there will be a surgical procedure for this. Once we address this otosclerosis, once we address this conductive hearing loss, tinnitus is completely managed, completely cured. Sometimes this is caused when there is some amount of very bad tumors that are growing in the brain. For example, CP angle tumor. I am right now seeing many patients who are coming with this tumors in the brain. We call them as acoustic neuromas, which are very slow growing tumors. But because people are not getting time to get this tinnitus evaluated, they are coming at a very late stage. People who have tinnitus on one side and hearing loss on one side only, then it is better you consult an ENT surgeon immediately to rule out certain tumors like acoustic neuromas. They are very slow growing tumors, and the only symptoms that people have will be tinnitus and hearing loss. If tinnitus is because of this tumor, once we address the tumor, this tinnitus will be resolved. Sometimes these ringing sounds in the ear will not be because of any blocks. It could be just because of the nerve-related hearing loss, like noise-induced hearing loss, which are very commonly seen right now in young kids and most of the people who are working for a prolonged period of time with the headphones in their ears. That noise-induced hearing loss causes some amount of hearing loss and at the same time ringing sounds in the ear. It's also seen in certain group of individuals like age-related hearing loss, when there is death of certain hair cells due to natural process of aging. In those individuals also, we are seeing this hearing loss with tinnitus. For these group of people where tinnitus or ringing sounds in the ear is because of hearing loss, we ask them to start using amplifying devices like hearing aids. Just by providing a hearing aid, their tinnitus will be cured. Sometimes this tinnitus will not be because of hearing loss or any other blocks in the ear. It could be because of different conditions like anemia, where there is decreased hemoglobin, or sometimes because of thyroid issues, or sometimes because of diabetes, hypertension, blood pressure variations, sometimes because of hypercholesterolemia, where the cholesterol values are very high, lipid profile is very high, and very commonly we are seeing in people who are going through a lot of stress, lack of sleep in the night. Even in these individuals, tinnitus is very, very common. Of course, the most important cause is the food and the lifestyle. Certain foods and lifestyle are considered as volume controls for tinnitus. If you are having a healthy food which is very low in caffeine, no alcohol, no smoking, and you are leading a very healthy lifestyle, the chances of having tinnitus are very, very less. On the contrary, people who take more amount of black coffee or people who have alcohol more than the normal limits just because of dehydration and lack of healthy lifestyle, that leads to tinnitus. So these are the common causes of tinnitus. If all these are addressed, then your tinnitus is completely managed. In certain situations, will not be exactly able to identify the cause for tinnitus. In such people, we ask them to undergo tinnitus for evaluation. We check at which frequency and which intensity is this tinnitus corresponding to, and then we completely try to mask it in such a way that the patient is no longer able to hear the tinnitus. We call this as sound therapy. This will be done with the help of emitting wideband noise. We do it in the form of hearing aid with tinnitus maskers or simple white noise emitting devices. Most of the time, tinnitus will be masked off with this white noise emitting devices. But in certain individuals, they'll not be even happy even after using this tinnitus mask devices. That is when we ask them to start with a cognitive behavioral therapy, where we tend to counsel them properly, finding out the cause and change the perception about the tinnitus and make them lead a very stress-free life. In case if you have any questions regarding this ringing sounds in the ear or tinnitus or anything about hearing health and hearing issues, please do ask in the comment section below. I'll try to answer as soon as I can. Thank you. Namaste.